Okay, we're going to talk about interior and exterior angles of polygons. So one definition you need to know before we get started is that a regular polygon is a polygon that is both equilateral and angular. So all the sides will be the same and all the angles. Here's one example of that. So here are some different formulas you need to know for all polygons. You've got an interior angle sum theorem, so that means that the sum of the measures of the interior angles of an n-gon, which just means any number of sides, is the number of sides minus 2 times 180. The exterior angle sum of all polygons is 360 degrees. With regular polygons, we can actually figure out the measures of one interior or one exterior angle, and you'll need these formulas to do that. So you'll do your 180, your n minus 2 times 180, and divide that by the number of sides, and then also you'll take your 360 and divide by the number of sides to get the exterior angle. Now use those formulas to complete the chart on your page for all the different shapes. I'm going to give you one example on the next slide. So if you were doing this shape, it's a pentagon with 5 sides. So you'll plug in 5 for your n. So 5 minus 2 times 180 is 540. So one interior angle, you would do 180 times 5 minus 2 divided by n. So that's your 540 divided by 5, which is just 108. To get one exterior angle, you just take your 360 and divide by the number of sides. So 360 divided by 5 is 72. So now pause and take time to fill out the rest of that chart. Okay, for an interior angle sum and finding x, we're going to use our formula for the interior angle sum for all polygons. And so this is a 9-sided figure, so we're going to do 9 minus 2 times 180 is 1260. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add up all of these angles, which gives us 9x plus 37, and then we can just solve, which gives us x equals 135.9. And here's your last example for an exterior angle sum. Remember, all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360, so you take that 360 and set it equal to all of your exterior angles added together. Then you can solve that, and you get x equals 18.9.